Hi there, I'm Mary Piasta, and I am a partner at Hauser, Veluzzo, and Piasta in Sonoma. My firm has a legacy of doing estate plans for individuals since the 1800s. Today, I want to talk with you about the 4 stages of an estate planning process. These stages we consider to be critically important to go through the process with our clients and partner with them to ensure that their wishes are carried out in the way that they want. The first part of the process we call the construction phase. This is when we are gathering and designing the legal constructs for the desires of the client. So this is when you would be talking with your attorney to discuss the wishes that you have in place and the ideas for your legacy. The second part is after us lawyers have done our job and created the documents to affect what you want to have happen. This is when you would come in to sign the documents. The signing is important with respect to the estate legal requirements in a particular state. So you sign them, and then what's even more critical is that your estate is funded. So this is when your advisors will look at the things that are supposed to be put into your estate, your trust, and transfer them appropriately. This is also an area where it is most advisable to have a personalized advisor guiding your wishes to ensure that it happens versus something like an online self-help legal resource or a booklet that you get from a library or a friend. And that will be the topic of a later video. But for our clients, we go through the process to ensure that the items that they want to have in their estate are actually funded and put in their estate. After that is done, we go into phase 3. This is when our clients maybe no longer want to be making their own financial decisions, so the people who they have given power to do that actually take on that very important role and under the directives of the client. It's the implementation phase. So this is when folks come in to manage financial affairs, or in the situation of a healthcare decision, folks are coming in to make those decisions through the pre-given guidance of the individual who is having decisions made for them. After the end-of-life transition, then we go into phase 4. This is the administration phase. So this is when the rubber meets the road of your estate plan and how your wishes are documented and how they are effectuated to go to your heirs. For clients who have gone through this process, what this means is that the person in charge of making sure that the estate assets are given out in the way you want them to, that means that they are going to your trust documents and following that process. What it means for someone who has not engaged in this process, sometimes what it means is that a court is overseeing through the advocacy of counsel the apportionment of your estate and legacy to those who the law, the California laws, direct. So, at the end of the day, what the message is and the benefit is of estate planning through a staged process is that you can have control over your estate and your legacy and make sure that it goes to those that you want by being proactive in doing it. And it is more advisable to definitely seek independent counsel and have a customly created plan that is ensured to do what you want it to. So thank you for listening. I encourage you to get out there and secure the legacy that you have worked for and deserve.